commissioned to make this armadillo for a fireworks stand here in Lumberton, Texas, and now we're here today delivering him. I actually fell into metal art by complete accident. I was never really exposed to welding or fabricating growing up. Most of everything that I've ever done, I've never done before. So everything I do is trial and error. And so that's how I've learned, that's how I've grown, and that's how my art has grown to what it is today. The first piece I ever made was absolutely terrible. Like, it was not looking good at all, but I fell in love with the burn. I fell in love with the fire. I fell in love with the smoke. I did this. Like, this is insane. Like, I did this by myself with my own two hands. The trades have given my kids a life that they deserve. And women deserve to know that they can do this too. And if I can do it, they can do it.